I'm Barry Gross, the pen turning teacher, and today I'm at Penn State Industries and I want to talk about drilling on the lathe. The reason I like drilling on the lathe is because you get a more accurate, straight through drill when you do it. If you're drilling with a drill press, sometimes when you start at the top and when you get to the bottom, the holes aren't exactly straight. So you have a nice centered hole at the top here, and then when you get to the bottom, you're off center. So that's why I like drilling on the lathe. So to do that, you need a few different things. There's a couple different ways to do it. There's a few dedicated drilling chucks like these. This one will go from almost nothing up to 1.5 inches. This one will go from 0 all the way up to 2.5 inches. So if you're doing large bottle stoppers like this or anything else, you can just put it right on the lathe and do it. So now let's just start, and we're going to do it this way. I'm going to put the little guy on, screw this on, get it down tight. Now in the tailstock, I'm going to use a Jacob's chuck. This one is a keyless one. So I'm going to place it in here, and now I'm going to take my drill bit, put it in here, and the drill bits that I'm using, these are special dedicated high-speed acrylic drill bits. They're really good because the way they're shaped on the front, this unique bullet design gives it a nice weight when it comes out the back. It doesn't blow out. All right, so I'm going to put my blank in. I've got this all set up. Now speed-wise, I'm going to do this at about 500 RPM. The reason I like to drill that way is it gives it a nice, smooth, straight hole all the way through. I'm going to hold on to this. I'm going to slightly come in and just go nice and easy. Back it up a little bit. Get this out. Move forward. Back it up again. If you take your time with this, you shouldn't have any issues with it at all. And so I'm going to continue doing this. Nice and slow. Get the debris out of here. And as I get toward the end, I'm going to slow up just a little bit as I come through. And I'm through there. So I'm going to back this all the way out. Now it's nice if you have a smaller lathe, you may have to, if your quill only travels 1 inch or so, you may have to stop the lathe, move this forward, okay, to do that. So let's take a look at this now. I'm going to take this out. And here's your hole, dead center on this side and dead center on this side. Straight all the way through. Look at the nice clean exit hole. You have a nice clean entrance hole and a nice clean exit hole. That's why I like using these particular drill bits, and that's why I drill on the lathe, to get nice, smooth, clean holes.